feel the warm sand between your toes? Can you hear the waves rolling up onto the beach and slowly return to the ocean? How about the sun on your skin, the salt in your hair, and those damn grains of sand that find their way into places you didn't even know existed? This summer, Light Elegance invites you to spend some time by the water and enjoy the many colors that you can find both at and around the beach, but also in the blue sparkly ocean. The 2022 summer collection, Summer by the Sea, contains of 12 new on-trend colors and glitters inspired by the natural beauty of the beach, the ocean, and its many colorful inhabitants. Here you'll find color ranging from neutral to pastels to bright and bold, colors that will boost your creative summer vibe, and there's definitely something there for everyone to love. Leslie McConnell, co-owner and founder of Light Elegance, says that when you think of summer, you think of the beach houses and oceanside vacations filled with beautiful colors. So put those snorkel goggles on and let's dive into the world of summer colors. The first color crawling up on the beach is Don't Be Crabby, a rich, creamy red coral. The perfect combination of crab red and orange. And don't be surprised if you start to walk sideways and spontaneously pinch the air or other people around you. The catch of the day is your light, cool mint green. A soft pastel green, but still with that mint pop that will make people go, "Ooh, what's the name of that color?" So just prepare yourself to repeat the catch of the day multiple times per day if you choose to wear this one. Searching for Seashells, a soft, sweet, neutral pink with amazing coverage. A shade that goes perfectly with any color or glitter since it's more on the pink neutral side. This is one of those colors that will look great as a base for all your summer swirls. Take a deep breath and let's dive into the Coral Cottage. A creamy, playful, bright orange on the verge of being a fun neon. The ultimate summer 2022 trend, which you should definitely pair together with other bold and bright colors. How about taking a trip down Ocean Avenue? A dusty light blue with a touch of gray. This color falls under the pastel summer trend and will also be a fantastic complement to any color or glitter. If you are craving for soft sand between your toes, then you should definitely consider putting sandcastles on your toes. Well, yeah, this color sandcastles if you. This is your neutral sandy nude with a peachy undertone. And those were the colors of the upcoming summer. But we do have 6 more fun little containers to practice our doggy paddle and backstrokes in. Just as with a color collection, you have these in both hard gels that will have to be filed off, as well as the P+ system, which are soft gels and can therefore be soaked off. In the hard gel collections, you will also get the swatch sticks. So, let's bring out your shovel and your net and let's see what treasures we can find on the beach and in the waters today. This glitter is a showstopper and we have to dive a little bit further down to find this in its natural habitat. Starfish Kisses contains fine pieces of pink champagne with light gold star-shaped glitter. You'll be the shining star with this one on your nails this summer. Salt in your hair and salt on your nails. Salty Sweet is a pearly white glitter that reflects the sunlight and will give you that elegant satin look. A glitter with great coverage and a salty sweet finish. Once upon a time, there was a blue chunky glitter, sparklier and chunkier than all the rest. It could only be seen in the ocean where the sun hit the water in the perfect angle to create a mix of mermaid shimmer, aqua sparkle, and Caribbean flares. Stepped on a sea jelly? Lucky you! No need to rush to the hospital. This sea jelly will make your toes sparkle like jelly diamonds with bright pink coral tones. A happy summer glitter with a mix of different sizes to really catch those sunset rays. Craving those fresh lemon tones? Then Beachy is your pick for the summer. A fine crystal glitter mixed with a soft and light lemonade background. A soft pastel jello glitter with holographic effects that will brighten up your days even when life throws lemons at you. Once you step onto the beach, it will follow you around for days, even though you like it or not. With sandy bottoms, you'll get a sandy peach glitter with stunning flashes of light copper and gold tones. Make sure to wear sunglasses because this one will definitely blind you with sparkle. And here you have the summary of the Summer by the Sea collection of 2022. Make sure to catch it on May 16th when it will be available to salon customers everywhere at the Light Elegance distributors worldwide and at lightelegance.com. All Light Elegance products are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. If you want to chat with other LE Text ambassadors and instructors, then make sure to check out the #NewToLE Facebook group. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new videos. Keep swimming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!